Okay, ciao together. Today we will install and configure OpenVAS instance. The scanner feed service includes the latest vulnerability tests, security informations, and related data. There are two feeds available. The Greenbone security feed, GSF, for commercial customers, and the Greenbone community feed, GCF, for everyone. We will focus today on the community feed. The difference between the commercial version and the free versions can be read on greenbone.net. Also, we will compile the OpenVAS manager directly from the source to have the latest improvements available. The installation will take well over an hour, and I will skip the sequences that require waiting time without comment. Please be merciful with me when I copy and paste the commands. We will install the scanner on an Ubuntu minimal server, so let's go. We can check now the version. Proc version, I think. Yeah, see the Ubuntu 7.4.0 and server it's 18.041. Huh? Okay, let's get started. For first, we need to install and running PostgreSQL. Auto start the PostgreSQL service. Now we create the PostgreSQL user and database. Create the user root. Create the database. Alright. Now we will do the granting, and we need also the roles. Okay, then we granting the DBA to root. And we create the extension. I think go out with Q. Okay, and then exit. Alright, log out, huh? Now we build OpenVAS 9 manager from source. Make a folder for that. Install some software properties commands. It's the newest version, okay. Now we add the repository. Okay. Right. Deactivate the tab SRC. Control O. Control X. And then we make an update. Okay, alright. Now we install the required build tools and dependencies. So, back. It's a lot of stuff. So now we download the OpenVAS manager, the source code. For first we switch in the folder that we created before. So let's say OpenVAS. Okay, alright. We take the source. Alright. Now we verify the OpenVAS build dependencies. Switch to the folder OpenVAS 9 manager 703. Okay, alright. Check the build. Okay, it's alright. Now we configure the OpenVAS source code to use PostgreSQL. Enter Control X. Okay, alright. Now we compile and install OpenVAS 9. Let's go. Okay, we are back. The compiling is finished. We need to move the stuff to OpenVAS steps. Okay, alright. Need to install from the source. Okay. In this prompt you can activate yes. Okay, alright. Next step, we will make all these syncs, this NVT sync, the skep data sync, and the zer data sync. We need to sudo su, I think so. Yep. And then we go to the first sync. Okay, now the skep data sync. After the synchronizing of the security content automation protocols CAP, we need to synchronize the computer emergency readiness that we can do with the Greenbow CERT data sync. Okay, now we need to restart all these services, OpenVAS Scanner, OpenVAS Manager and OpenVAS GSA. Need to enable that for the auto start. And then finally the OpenVAS database must be rebuilt so the OpenVAS manager can access the newly updated data with this command. Okay, it's done. Now we can check that. For the export of the reports as PDF, we need the LaTeX font support. Okay, then we need this one also. Now we set the listing address for the GSA. GSA is the web interface from OpenVAS. Control O, Enter, Control X. That's all, huh? Now we need to restart the OpenVAS GSA service. Go into the browser, open new one. Okay, alright. Then go advanced, accept and rest and continue, and voila, admin. Okay, alright. Thanks for watching and see you next time.